Stop. Don't watch another movie until you learn these words. They're everywhere in Hollywood films. Run. To move quickly on your feet.
He told me to run before the police came.
Hide. To go somewhere no one can see you.
She hid behind the door.
Hurry. To do something quickly.
Hurry. We're going to be late.
Escape. To get away from danger or a bad place.
She tried to escape from prison.
Kill. To make someone die.
The villain tried to kill the hero.
Fight. To use force to hurt someone or defend yourself.
They fought bravely in the battle.
Shoot. To fire a gun.
They shot at the enemy.
Arrest. To take someone to the police station.
The police arrested the thief.
Lie. To say something that is not true.
Don't lie to me.
Promise. To say you will do something for sure.
I promise I'll help you.
Leave. To go away from a place.
She left the house without saying goodbye.
Help. Ask for someone to assist you.
Help. I can't swim.
Plan. A set of actions for doing something.
They had a plan to rob the bank.
Trap. A trick to catch someone.
It was a trap.
Explosion. A loud and violent blast. There was a big explosion in the forest. Chase. To run after someone.
The police chased the robber.
Prison. A place where criminals stay.
He spent 10 years in prison.
Criminal. To go somewhere no one can see you.
The criminal was finally caught.
Dangerous. Can hurt you.
That area is very dangerous at night.
Gun. A weapon that shoots bullets.
He pointed a gun at me.
Knife. A sharp tool used for cutting.
He had a knife in his hand.
Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next ones. Got any ideas or questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Take care.